Hi friends, um, I was asked in our Telegram group how to create a campaign and set up it in Keitaro TDS. So I want to show you how you can do that step by step. So basically campaign contains two main parts. It's like offer and your ad network. So first of all, you should go to sources and create source. You can choose from one of templates. There are a lot of them. For example, I will work with Mega Push. So I have already template and I have already this source, so I wouldn't set it up. But as you see, there are postback with all parameters. So like super user friendly, you can just click on create and here we are. We have source. Okay. Second part is offer. To add offer, you should first of all add affiliate network. Click on affiliate networks tab, create. Today I will work with Golden Goose affiliate network because I want to click click flow pin submits. So as you see, there are template for this affiliate network too. So just choose template and click on create. If there will be no template for your affiliate network or your ad network, you should use same parameters like profit, event, like payout, status, sub ID, etc., etc. But paste different parameters on your affiliate network site or on your source site. Also, you can just write in support of Keitaro TDS and they will help you. They always answer like in two to maybe 10 from 2 to 10 hours to answer, and they will give you working postback URL and answer for all of your questions too. So when you create affiliate network, just click on create and create. Then you should go to offers tab and create an offer. So click on create, choose affiliate network. As I said, I will work with Golden Goose. Then paste offer name. It will be worldwide mainstream smart link. In offer name, I always try to show what is vertical and what is like countries for this offer. So when I create new campaign, I can easily work with all of my offers and don't misunderstood myself. So put offer name. As you see, this params should be in my URL to send post back correctly. Let's go to Golden Goose. I have already set up this smart link. Just copy it and then paste it here. And we want to send sub ID in parameter P1. Also we can send like sub ID to and the source. I always cite source already in source field already my like affiliate number, I think. So we could paste something in parameter side. Let's paste sub ID 14. I always use it to my source name. So I will see mega push, and if Golden Goose want to check my traffic, and in mobile content niche or vertical affiliate networks time to time want to check your traffic and block some networks because they work with billings, and billings can make huge like payouts for not payouts, but like, what is the word, huge fines, huge penalties. So my recommendation is to send as much parameters as you can to have no problems with your affiliate network. If they want to check your traffic quality, they wouldn't like stall your cases or whatever, because it's not convenient, and it's like pain in ass to stall someone case if you affiliate network and it's not like huge case. Okay, so let's create this offer. Just click on create. Great. And now we can go to campaigns and create new campaign. In name of campaign, I also try to mention what it's about: worldwide, mainstream, worldwide, mainstream, mobile content, something like this, because smart link doesn't say anything to me actually, but mobile content means that most of these offers will be charged by mobile providers. Then click on create schema, then scroll down to our worldwide mainstream smart link, add this offer, apply. Then we should select source, mega push, group. I wouldn't click, sorry, I have category one-click offers, so I select group one-click offers. Groups are not necessary. You add them to sort your campaigns and to navigate faster through your tracker and through your campaigns. Okay, we're good to go. Then just click on create, and we have created our CPA marketing campaign with all necessary parameters and with already working postback. Maybe later I will create another video with results of this test. I just want to test worldwide traffic with mega push as source and with GG agency smart link as affiliate offer. So thanks for your attention. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's so, please press like and subscribe. If you have any questions about Keitaro TDS, link on it will be in video description, or about creating campaign process, postback, and all of these, write them in comments below and I will answer. So we will see you in next videos. Goodbye.